Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Muhammad Azul Hafiz bin Zulkifli from the MK3C. Okay, today with my team, Alif Nur Iman and Afiz Zafran to present about our project is automation stamping machine. So before we run this project, I want to tell you about the input. As a I, Q is a output. Okay. This is a machine for stamp machine. Okay, I want to tell you firstly about the output. Okay. First is the clamp. Is the Q. Q 4.3 is for retract. For retract is go up, and for extend is go down. As a Q 4.2. Okay, we next to the next output is the in. Okay, in. We declare this Q 4.5 will extend. Okay. For the retract is a Q 4.4 will retract. Okay. We next to the output. Okay, this is the movement of the cylinder. We set the extend for cylinder is Q 4.6. Okay. And the retract is the Q 4.7. Okay. Next is the output for the sensor. This condition is in retract Q 5.0 when scissor is extend like this in condition Q 5.1. Okay, the last output is stamp. Stamp we set is Q 4.0 will go down. It's like this, and next output is Q 4.1 for the step up, just like this. Okay, next we go to the input. Okay, first is a sensor of clamp. As sensor of clamp, okay, as we can see the clamp in the extend condition. This is a sensor clamp for extend condition. This is a sensor retract for clamp to retract. Okay. We go to the next sensor. This sensor for in. Okay. This is sensor in I 0.2 will retract, and this is I 0.3 will extend. Okay, we go to the sensor of a scissor. Okay, now condition of the scissor is extend. So the sensor back of this. Okay, sensor will detect this. Okay, this is extend for scissor, and this is a retract. This is a sensor retract for the condition of scissor. Is the start button I 0.1 in the stop button I 0.0. Okay.
Thanks to Hafiz who telling about the input and the output of the machine. Now I will telling you about the step that we have to make. If you see it here, we have the sequence step diagram, and we have about 15 steps. If you see, at first we have initial condition. And next, we down to the initial condition, we have step 1, which is M0.1. Now, to make the step 1 to operate, we must get a command from M0.0, which is the start button. When this step has been done, it will cause the cylinder to extend. After the cylinder extend, it go to the step 2, which is it will activate M0.2, and it will activate the clamp to extend. And then after that, it will go to step 3, it will get a command from sensor clamp extend. After it get the command from there, it will make the M0.3 activate, and it will reset the cylinder paper to retract. And after that, it will go to this step over here, starting with step 12, which we declare M1.5. If you say you can see it here. To make this step activate, it will have go through the sensor paper extend. So after it get command from there, it will make the clamp to extend again. After this the clamp extend, it will go to step 13, which is M1.7. After the sensor detect it, it will command the scissor to cut. After that, it will go to step 14, which is M2.0. At this step, it will make the cylinder to retract to its place. Now, after step 15, it will go to step 15. The step 15 only activate after the sensor paper cylinder retracts to its place, and it will cause the scissor to extend again. So this step will go through and through for looping again and again.
So now I want to show you the program to complete this assignment. So as you can see here, this first network is for all the initial condition of the parts of the stamping machine. This is the sensor paper minus, or sensor paper retract, sensor clamp retract, sensor ink retract, and sensor scissor retract, which means this condition is not moved yet. It is behind M0.0. As you can see, M0.0 store all of this initial condition. So in order to move the step 1, you must through the M0.0 here, and then you must press the start button as the sequence follows. When the start button is pressed, so M0.0 will tell the M0.1 to move the cylinder. So the cylinder will extend, which I put here paper plus, which means plus means extends. After that, it will go through to the memory 0.2. It will detect sensor paper plus. So when the M0.2 get the signal from the sensor paper extend, then the M0.2 will tell the clamp to extend. I push this start button, and then the machine will run. Oh, sorry, start button. Okay, I press the stop button. It has been done. So you see the program, from the sequence you see to the program and to the simulation. So this task has given us how to program the PLC to the applications in the worldwide in the industries, such as clamping machine. If you see here, so this is only the assignment, but in industries the PLC program is used for another purpose, like dropping the objects, maybe the conveyor, the drilling, the milling, all use the PLC program. That's it. Last thing, so for Selmi, thanks for give this task to us, so we can see more clearly on visual knowledge on PLC users in worldwide. That's all. Thank you.